my name is Maria Andersen and we are talking about investing on this channel. So if you love investing and making money, make sure you subscribe. Also guys, if you love making money with crypto, you have to keep your crypto safe and secure. That's why I really recommend you to buy a hardware wallet. Even I'm personally using 5 or 6 different hardware wallets. Well, why not to diversify your hardware wallets too, right? And guys, if you are looking for something special and for a great gift to a crypto investor, you should consider buying something like this. This is my new hardware wallet, BCVAULT. And by the way, thank you BCVAULT for sending me this amazing product and for sponsoring this video. It's a great gift for me personally and I'm very excited to unbox it now. Also guys, it's not just a wallet, it says customized. And I'm really interested, what can it be? I will unbox it now and I'm inviting you to join me. Okay guys, so here it is, BCVAULT customized. And yeah, as you can see, this box is very well packed. Maria Andersen, interesting. Designed and made in the European Union. Awesome. Let's unbox it now. I guess we should open it like this. This box looks like a box for jewelry, and those are protective stuff, and yeah, it's very good that we have it here. Okay guys, are you ready? Let's open it. Welcome to the BCVAULT family. Well, thank you, I'm very happy. And I see they partnered with Crypto.com, which is very cool. I love Crypto.com. And now guys, are you ready to see the wallet itself? I'm sure you have never seen anything like this. Just look at this, guys. Thank you, BCVAULT, for this customized wallet. I'm really excited. Wow, that's cool. To be honest, I think it's the best present for crypto investor. Also, it's kind of cold wallet, but it's cold because it's made of steel. And now, guys, let's set it up. Look at this screen. This screen is huge. Well, I absolutely love the quality. And yeah, what's here? Oh my god, guys, this is me. Can you imagine? Oh, this is so cool. Thank you, Maria Andersen. Personal edition. This is so cool. And now I definitely can tell you guys that nobody in the world has the same hardware wallet. Okay, what else do we have in the box? Let's see. And I guess it's a cable. Yeah, it is. It's a cable and I can charge it from my laptop as always. Look at this quality, looks very strong. And what else do we have here? So this is a cover for my webcam. Wow, that's very cool. I've never seen anything like this. This is how it looks like, just a tiny, super tiny thing, and you have to put it on your webcam and then you can open it or close it when you need. And also we have this beautiful sticker here, and I guess I will gift it to my son who is 12 years old and he loves everything related to crypto. Okay guys, and now I guess I have to remove this thing firstly. Let's do it now. Yeah, like this. We have some steps here on the website, and if you are interested, I will leave a link in the description. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 already done. And now I have to download the application. And as you can see guys, here I can download this app for my Mac because I'm using Mac. And then step 6, shake your BCVAULT to initialize true random number generator that will be used for generation of your crypto wallet. Interesting. And it says shake device. Okay, I will do it. Protection level. Interesting. And yeah. Wow, that's it. Wallets are for pocket money. Vaults are for safekeeping. I absolutely agree with you. And by the way, here we have a memory card, micro 1 GB. Then step 7, once installed and running, you will be prompted to set a global PIN and global password, which is used to unlock your BCVAULT device. Set your global password and PIN and be sure to never forget them. Let's click here. A pin is composed of jogger input combination up, down, left and right. You can even choose not to use pin at all and use empty input, just confirm empty combination, but we don't recommend that. Remember, password and the pin both are used as input for encryption, so even a simple combination up and down is enough to prevent brute forcing, as a possible attacker will have no clue which part a password or pin is incorrect. Each and every wallet on your BCVAULT is individually encrypted with a combination of an application password entered on your computer and a pin entered on your BCVAULT. In addition, you can specify a global pin and password, which adds an additional layer of security to your BCVAULT. Without it, the device will not respond to public key requests. This means that in total, the following passwords and pins are available. Global password, used for unlocking the global access to BCVAULT with a combination of global pin on device. Global pin, used for unlocking the global access to BCVAULT with a combination of global password in the application. Wallet password, used for sending currencies from individual wallets with a combination of wallet pin on the device. Wallet pin, used for sending currencies from individual wallets with a combination of wallet password in the application. You can choose not to use global password or pin at all, or maybe just global password and no global pin. And now guys, I just opened this application and it says thanks for your purchase of BCVAULT. Make sure to choose a good device and wallet password and pin and remember them. Without them, no recovery is possible. Click confirm. Now I have to enter my global pin just using these buttons. I just made my global pin. Global pin and password changed successfully. Okay. I guess now I have to enter my password. And now I have to enter my global pin. Awesome, I just did it. And it says all your wallets are not backed up. If you lose or damage your BCVAULT, you will lose access to your funds. So let's back up it. Here you can choose SD card, back up your encrypted wallet data to an SD card. Before you back up, make sure your BCVAULT has an SD card inserted. Yeah, we already have it right here. We just checked it out. Create backup to SD. Confirm. As you can see guys, this is the app and actually I can add as many wallets as I wish. Also, I can add new wallet from here and yeah, we have a lot of different currencies here. Yeah, that's great. And of course guys, don't forget that you can customize your hardware wallet and make any picture or any text you want right on your hardware wallet. And also a lot of cool stuff guys. I will leave a link below for you. Go check it out by yourself. And guys, you will find my personal affiliate link in the description. There will be no additional cost to you. I will just receive a small commission from BCVAULT. And guys, I really appreciate your support. Such things are helping my channel a lot. Well guys, that's all for today. Please hit that like if you enjoyed this video. Take care, stay safe, bye!